Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how to wirelessly connect your Garmin fenix to your Garmin VIRB and use your GPS wristwatch as a remote to control your camera. What I am showing you in this video applies not only to the fenix but also to the Garmin quatix. The first thing you want to do before you begin is update the firmware on both devices. You can do this by going to Garmin.com and downloading a program called Garmin Express, which is free. After you've updated your firmware on your VIRB, you want to press Mode and get to your Setup menu, and then select the first item in the list, which is Remote. Remote needs to be turned on like it is right now. If it is turned off, you can toggle back and forth by pressing the OK button on the side. Now you can go over to your fenix or your quatix, press the orange button on the side of the fenix, it will be a blue button on the quatix, and then select the second item in the list, which is Setup. Now from this menu, you're going to select Menu, which is actually at the very bottom of this list. So you can scroll all the way down through it if you want, or you can just take the shortcut, hit the up arrow, and jump down. So there is Menu. And now from the next list, we're going to select Add Page, which again is at the bottom. So we'll hit up to go down, and there's Add Page down there at the very bottom. And now we're going to select from this list VIRB Remote, which is, of course, at the very bottom. So we'll skip down there and select VIRB Remote. VIRB Remote has now been added to our main menu, so we can go all the way back to that main watch screen, hit the orange button, and then find VIRB Remote, which is going to be at the bottom of the list. So hit VIRB Remote. Once you do that, the fenix is going to search for the VIRB, and it'll say connected once it has found it. From this screen, there are two things that you can do. You can start and stop recording video on your VIRB, or you can tell your VIRB to take a still photo. To start recording, press the up button on the right side, and you can see that the VIRB has gone from a solid green light to a flashing red light, and it will continue recording until you tell it to stop. So you can even exit out of this screen, go back to your main watch screen, do what you're going to do with your fenix or quatix, and when you're done with that, just go back to VIRB Remote and then press the down button to stop recording. The other thing that you can do is tell your VIRB to take a still photo. You can do that by pressing the orange button on the side. Once you do that, instead of saying connected in the middle, it's going to say photo taken for a second. And there it is. The VIRB just took a still photo. So that is a quick look at how to wirelessly connect both your Garmin fenix and your Garmin quatix to the Garmin VIRB.